So boom. Basically, fucking on my way to work, mate. Just waiting in the car, chilling out. I've got my zoot rolled, and I've got a zoot for later as well. This zoot is really small because I was literally in a rush, so I just had to use the crumbs from the grinder to make this zoot. And then when I get to work, I can have a proper smoke. I'm going to a primary school today for a fireworks display and bonfire sort of celebration type thing. So that should be alright. Tomorrow is at the church. I was going to be doing a concert, but I've switched it out. And then bonfire night on Saturday. So yeah, it's all good, mate. It's all good. Fucking, I thought I'd make a video now, as I actually have something to do, even though I'm just waiting at the moment. But yeah, I'm on my way too. So I've been literally just doing fuck all. So I just haven't been on making a video like at all. But nevertheless, I'm here now. And yeah, but the only thing is, I did bring a lighter, but now I can't find it. Fuck's sake. Oh, here it is. Yesterday I had to buy a new lighter from the corner shop. It cost me £1. I literally fucking, yeah. My hair's gone well curly. But yeah. Proper hyped to finally be out of the house. Like literally. I've been so bored. So fucking bored. But nevertheless, I'm out now. And yeah. I'm really loving Raws. I've gone through 2 packs already. I need to get another one. So I'm temporarily on blues until I can buy more Raws. Obviously I've got 3 zoots pre-rolled, this being one of them, that are Raws, and then the rest are all fucking Rizzlers. So yeah. Oh, and I've got new trousers as well, look. You probably won't be able to tell, but these are my new trousers. I literally fucking, I'm well impressed with them, apart from I'm covered in ash at the moment. But yeah, fucking, I've got new trousers. New combat trousers. Because my other ones were just dirty, mate. Like literally, I was so dirty. Not that they were dirty, but they was just fading. So it made them look dirty and it was pissing me off. So yeah. Also, got my Rubicon, mate. Shout out Rubicon. As usual. And yeah. I'm not actually sure. Can't even actually remember what I was going to say. There's a fucking dog there. Just saw it move through the window. I'm not actually sure if fucking, I don't know. It's something to do with my juice. Yeah, forgotten. Chuck it. This is my current scenes, just the street. And down here as well. And that's it. Like literally. just glad to be out, mate. Smoking a zoot in a different place. Rather than my porch. But literally. Fucking, oh. Yeah. Thinking of rolling another zoot, to be honest. Not a rolling smoking. Like literally. Don't even know. Just do not know. Just a random guy. Literally. I don't know if you can even see it. There it is. Let's roll another. Or smoke another even. Got my little tin with my lions on it. It's all chilled. You alright?
You alright?
Yeah, not too bad. Yourself?
Yeah.
It's the guy with the dog that I was telling you about. Because his house is just here. So I could see him coming. But yeah, just smoking up. It's always better to smoke up before, because I never know if I'm going to get a chance to smoke up at work. Because this thing is only like 1,000 people, so it's quite small, but you never know. It could still be quite busy. And it's a primary school, so there's probably going to be a lot more safety precautions. I don't know if it's for the children or if they're just having it on the field there, or if it's part of the primary school and the school putting on the display, or if they're just using the field, I don't know. But yeah. This guy is in shorts, mate. It's so cold. And he's in shorts. Like, how the fuck can you be in shorts? Although I did have a mate that was fucking always in shorts. No matter what the weather, mate, he'd be in shorts. So, but either way, it's all good. Literally nothing to report. Just chilling and relaxing and yeah. Got some juice actually. Ooh, that's good. Nice and sweet, mate. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there for the time being. So stay blessed for now. And I'll continue at some point. So boom, here we are. Fucking, I'm in a residential area. Literally pretty residential. The school is here. Like, that's the primary school. And then the fireworks display is going to be happening over here. They're just setting it up. But fucking, yeah mate, it's chilled. Like, there's been lots of people worried, like, oh, what's going on, what's going on? Because literally bare security. It's not that many, but for this area it's quite a lot. So yeah, everyone was like, oh, what's going on? But yeah, it's fine. It's chilled, like literally. Smoke my zoots. It's just me. I'm on a gate, emergency exit gate. This is for fire engines and ambulances and things like that. Fucking yeah. So I'm gonna leave it there and continue in a bit. So boom. Fucking still at work, mate. And yeah, just waiting for the fireworks to start. And then once they do, that will be it. Only thing is that fireworks are only on for an hour, but we're still here for another like hour after that, so I don't know what's happening with that. But yeah. Fucking I don't even know. Like literally, I do not know. Anyway, there's literally not much to show you now because it's dark until the fireworks come on. But yeah, this earpiece is irritating me though. I might have to take it out. Anyway, stay blessed for now. I literally have fuck all to report. Oh, there's a car driving past. There you go, how's that for excitement? I hope I don't fucking get copyrighted for this. Oh, that was awkward. But yeah, anyway. Fucking, it's starting. So, yeah. But there's hardly anyone queuing. Like at all. Like over there where you see lights is where it will be, but there's no one queuing, so there will be people queuing, but not coming to the park yet. But I'm not a really big fan of the music choice, to be honest, but oh mate, fucking got a shit DJ. They're playing musical chairs. Well, it is a kids thing at a primary school, so what do you expect? Smells like fish and chips around here. Like literally, it's so dark. It's not even dark, there is street lamps, but you just can't see me. Like literally. Fucking yeah. Either way, I'm having a good old time, mate. Like a bloody good old time. But it's just long because yeah. I literally, now the music stopped. I was getting ready thinking that was going to be it. It will start and get to see some fireworks, but clearly not. So yeah. Anyway, I only started the video because I thought there was a progression, but it's not. So then I'm just going to have to switch off and go back to fucking being bored, mate. I might even smoke a zoot. Actually, yes, mate. I've got a zoot. Like literally, I've got a fucking zoot because I had a fag earlier. I always have a cigarette at work, and then it's just like, oh, I don't even want this. I never finish it. I have like 2 totes, thinking it will replace the zoot, but it never does. It just tastes fucking grim. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna smoke a zoot, and yeah, take it from there. So, stay blessed for now. Oh dear. Just want to see some fireworks. At least there's something to watch then. Oh, literally. Anyway. So boom, they've got some shitty music playing, but yeah, it's started. You can't see anything at all. But literally, you just can't see anything. But yeah, the fireworks, I say they should be starting soon, but they've been saying that for fucking ages now, so I don't even know. And yeah, so it's still on my gate, nice and quiet. There's a few people down the end, but yeah, it's a pretty dead event, to be honest. Like literally so dead. Anyway, just waiting for the fireworks. As I say, it'll be something to watch. I've just smoked my zoot, and yeah, it's a fucking, don't know. This is just a quiet bonfire, like a really quiet bonfire. Some of them are really noisy, like rowdy. I've got a few coming up, but this one is just not one of them. So it's kind of nice just to be chilling. And yeah. So there's people letting off fireworks over the other side, like in their gardens and that, so I've had a few to watch, but we should be good to go any moment now. So yeah, finally on the way. Literally, it's been so long. Just CBA now. There's 1 or 2 people watching up at the bank, and yeah, for everyone that's come, it's really busy for them, because obviously they don't really go out or work events or go to events or anything like that, so they're like, oh, this is so busy. It's like, it's quiet, mate. It's so quiet. Like, the only thing that's noisy is the kids just talking, that kids' playground voice, because there's loads of children here. But apart from that, it's nothing. It's dead. Like, literally, it's so dead. Like, the audience couldn't even do something if they wanted to. Like, literally, they're all like 5, 6, 7, 8. Most of them go to this primary school. So yeah, dead, mate. Anyway, I'm not complaining. It's all good. And you've got people that don't know how to use the radio.
Go ahead, Polly.
Like, see, look.
I'm just checking for when the fireworks are over. And when do you want us all?
Where do you want us all? It's so dead, mate.
I think if we could all just be making sure that the playground's cleared and that it's a slow and steady exit, that would be great. Thanks.
Look how dead that is. It's so
Okay,
dead.
thank you.
Like, literally, that's all they've got to talk about on the radio. And they're not even security. They're like, they're organisers of the event.
Yeah,
Organised a display for the school.
It's fireworks, Mike. When are we likely to start?
Yeah, when are we likely to start, man? Come on.
We're ready to go ahead when you are. Over.
Come on, here we go. Should be lighting them. He's behind me.
Okay, great. I'll lower the music and put the other one on.
Here we go. Oh, that's the music stopped. Everyone's getting ready. They're all cheering and jeering, getting ready. Here we go. The suspense music. Oh, this is the music they were playing earlier. Oh look, there you go. In the middle, where the music started. There you go. Shit. There's actually bare people. Only thing is, I'm gonna put my earmuffs on now. So, yeah. In a bit. So, boom. I've got my earplugs in, mate. Literally. I'm just going into the thing. And I'm gonna turn the camera on. Hold on. That's that for now. Let's see, they're gonna go again. It's well stinky. Come on, chop chop boys. There's bare flashes. Here we go. That is what we want. So my colleague's just dropped off a bottle of water for me, so that's very kind of him. See if I can get zoom in on this one.
Yeah, well, to the right.
MC. Thank you.
And just like that, mate, it's fucking over. Like, literally. Like, that was literally, like, I don't know, 2-minute display. And I've been here for 4 hours for 2-minute display. Like, literally, oh, rah. I'm not complaining, but 2 minutes, all that effort and work and preparation for everyone to run around for 2 minutes. Anyway, there we go. That's another one, but that's someone's garden letting them off. The Tesco's ones. But yeah. Anyway, I'm off home to smoke a zoot soon, so yeah. Stay blessed for now, and I'll just continue when I get home. Boom. I'm back home, mate. Got myself some fish and chips, and I'm fucking feeling good, mate. Literally, I'm feeling so good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna serve myself up a plate of fish and chips, and yeah, boom. Yes, mate. Fucking, I'm looking forward to this one, mate. I've been literally dying for fish and chips for so long. It's my favourite meal. Anyway, I think I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna fucking roll a zoot. Yeah. I hope you're well and you're doing good. I've got work again tomorrow at the church, so I'll probably do another video then as well. And I got work the day after that, so I'll probably do another video. But I'm pretty tired. And yeah, I've only got a little bit of weed left, so I need to sort that out. But tomorrow I can pick up some more weed, so it's fine. Anyway, it's literally been a dead shift, dead day, but I'm not complaining because I've got plenty of good things. Got my trousers, got some new gloves, everything, mate. So stay blessed, stay lean, safe for watching, and peace.